Hello everyone, Nadeem here with TXengineWerx. First of all, let me say this. We are located at 31115 Nichols Sawmill Road. It's right next to the Graves Education Building. One of the questions I get asked often is, what do you guys do at TXengineWerx? It's a fairly new shop. We've been in business for about, I would say, a little over a year now. But it's a different kind of shop. In the area, there are no shops that have the expertise of the diagnosis that we do, and we're known for our diagnostic abilities. So in other words, we get a lot of cars that several other companies have worked on and they couldn't figure it out. It just wasn't running well. And whether it's new cars or old cars, I mean, we've had some classic cars with, still carbureted that we've had to tune, which we do. We've had some new cars, especially, some of the new ones like, the new Rams and the new Chrysler products that can be pretty involved when it comes to diagnosing, electronically. So one thing that a lot of customers miss is that we also do a lot, and I say a lot, of diesel work. There are a lot of diesel performance shops around. We don't do performance stuff, but we do fix a lot of issues that some of these performance shops have created. So if you need to get your truck or vehicle back to factory defaults, we can do that. If you have had some updates or upgrades and it's not working well, we can take care of that. We can fix that. Originally when we started, we weren't getting a lot of diesel work, but now as time goes on and people have kind of got to know us and our diagnostic abilities, you're probably thinking, well, diesel engine is simple. Diesel engines used to be simple. It's just, fuel and air, compress it, and boom, there's your power. But nowadays, everything being driven by the computer, it's much more involved and complicated and complex than what it used to be, even 20, 30 years ago. So if you do have a newer diesel vehicle or even an older diesel vehicle that has computer control systems in place, if you have some issues, whether it's the ECM talking to BCM or the transmission controller that needs to be reprogrammed, things like that, we can take care of all of that. And the best thing is we're not going to troubleshoot and learn on your vehicle. We know how these vehicles work. Philip, who's the chief operating officer as well, has been doing this for so many years. He knows this stuff in and out, and he's well known amongst the auto workshops in the area. Even down in Houston and Katy, he's well known in the industry. So if you have any electric issues, vehicle not running right, those type of issues, and several people have looked at it and they couldn't figure it out, it just wasn't running right, bring it to us and I can guarantee you we'll take care of that. We can fix that. This is my first video, and I'm gonna keep making more. Let me know, give me your feedback, let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to accommodate. And other than that, everybody be safe out there and take care of your vehicle, and it will take care of you.